call it theory. And when it is legend, we will leave it where it belongs, without pretending it is truth. Because the reality is already unsettling enough. Imagine standing before an ancient site where the stone is cut too cleanly, the scale feels wrong, and the silence feels intentional. No inscriptions to explain it. No tools left behind. Just precision, ambition, and absence. That moment, when the past refuses to speak, is where this story begins. And as you'll soon discover, some of history's greatest mysteries have survived not because they are impossible to solve, but because modern humanity has chosen not to solve them at all. Beneath a quiet green mound near the ancient city of Elevenum lies one of the most powerful sealed spaces in human history, a place that has been known, measured, and deliberately left untouched for more than 2,000 years. This is the tomb of Qin Shi Huang, the first emperor to unite China, a ruler whose ambition reshaped an entire civilization and whose burial was designed not as a grave, but as an underground empire meant to last forever. Construction began when he was still a child, long before he conquered rival states, and continued relentlessly for decades, involving hundreds of thousands of laborers, artisans, engineers, and soldiers. Above ground, the site appears deceptively ordinary, but beneath the soil lies a massive artificial landscape, palaces, towers, courtyards, and a central chamber believed to contain the emperor himself, all surrounded by an army frozen in clay. The terracotta soldiers, now one of the most famous archaeological discoveries on Earth, were only the outer defense. Ancient texts describe something far more unsettling deeper inside. Mechanical traps designed to kill intruders, ceilings painted to resemble the stars, and rivers of liquid mercury flowing through the tomb to symbolize the great waterways of China, eternally circulating around the emperor's body. For centuries, these descriptions were dismissed as exaggeration, the kind of myth historians often associate with absolute rulers. But modern science has complicated that dismissal. Surveys conducted with ground-penetrating radar and soil analysis have revealed unnatural structures beneath the mound and mercury levels far higher than normal, so high that they cannot be explained by natural causes. The ancient historian Sima Qian's account, once considered poetic fiction, now appears disturbingly accurate. And yet, despite having the technology to excavate the site, archaeologists refuse to open it. The reason is not ignorance, but fear that exposure to air would instantly destroy fragile materials such as silk, wood, pigments, and texts, just as the vibrant colors of the terracotta warriors vanished moments after excavation. Fear that mercury contamination could cause irreversible environmental damage. Fear that whatever remains inside, preserved for over 2 millennia,